Welcome to the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things refers to the vast network of physical devices, sensors, and systems that are connected to the Internet and can communicate with each other. These devices collect data from their environment and share it across networks to make intelligent decisions. IoT is transforming how we live and work by making everyday objects smarter and more connected. So what exactly is IoT? The Internet of Things is a system of interconnected devices that gather, process, and exchange data over the Internet without direct human intervention. Imagine your home appliances, wearable devices, vehicles, and industrial equipment all talking to each other. That's IoT. These devices have built-in sensors and communication hardware that allows them to sense their environment, collect data, and send it to cloud servers for analysis and action. Let's look at some real-world examples of IoT smart homes. Use IoT devices like thermostats, security cameras, and lighting systems that you can control from your phone. Wearable fitness trackers monitor your heart rate and daily activity. Smart cities use IoT sensors to manage traffic lights, parking systems, and public transportation. In healthcare, IoT devices monitor patient vitals in real time. Agriculture uses soil sensors and weather stations to optimize crop production. Even your connected car is an IoT device. These examples show how IoT is already part of our daily lives. IoT systems are built on 4 fundamental layers that work together. The first is the perception layer, which includes all the sensors and devices that collect data from the physical world. The second is the network layer, which transmits this data securely over the Internet. The third is the middleware layer, which processes and stores the data in cloud systems. Finally, the application layer presents the data to users through apps and dashboards so they can make decisions. Each layer is crucial for a complete IoT solution. The perception layer is the foundation of every IoT system. It consists of all the physical sensors and devices that gather data from their environment. These sensors can measure temperature, humidity, motion, light, pressure, and much more. They convert physical phenomena into digital signals that can be transmitted. Examples include thermometers in smart homes, motion detectors in security systems, and accelerometers in fitness trackers. The perception layer is like the eyes and ears of an IoT system, constantly observing and collecting information. The network layer is responsible for transmitting data from sensors to processing centers. It uses various communication technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, and specialized protocols such as Zigbee and LoRaWAN. This layer ensures secure and reliable delivery of data across networks. Different IoT applications require different network technologies based on their range, power consumption, and bandwidth needs. The network layer acts as the communication highways, carrying information from sensors to the cloud for processing. The middleware layer handles the processing, storage, and management of data. Cloud platforms like Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud provide the infrastructure for this layer. Here, data is stored in databases, analyzed using software tools, and organized for easy access. Machine learning algorithms can be applied to identify patterns and make predictions. This layer also manages device communication and ensures data security. The middleware layer is the brain of the IoT system, where raw data becomes meaningful information. The application layer is what users interact with directly. It includes mobile apps, web dashboards, and software programs that display information and allow users to control devices. For example, a smart home app lets you adjust your thermostat remotely, or a fitness app shows your daily step count. This layer transforms processed data into actionable insights and user-friendly interfaces. Applications can trigger automated actions, send alerts, or provide recommendations based on the data. The application layer is where IoT benefits become visible to the end user. While IoT offers tremendous opportunities, it also presents several challenges. Security is a major concern since IoT devices can be vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. Interoperability issues arise because different manufacturers use different standards and protocols. Scalability becomes difficult when managing millions of connected devices. Power consumption is critical for battery-powered devices, as frequent data transmission drains batteries quickly. Data privacy is essential since IoT systems collect vast amounts of personal information. Network reliability must be maintained for continuous operation. These challenges require careful planning and robust solutions to ensure successful IoT implementations. Let's summarize the key points about IoT first. The perception layer captures data through sensors and devices. Second, the network layer transmits this data securely across networks. Third, the middleware layer processes and stores the data in the cloud. Fourth, the application layer delivers value to users through interfaces and automated actions. Understanding these four layers is fundamental to designing and implementing IoT solutions. IoT is reshaping industries from healthcare to agriculture, smart homes to smart cities. As connected devices continue to multiply, IoT will become even more integral to our daily lives and business operations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.